In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split images for Instagram grid in Canva. We'll start right in Canva. Open the app or website and create a new design with custom dimensions that match the grid you want. For a classic 3x3 Instagram grid, think in tiles. Instagram posts are typically 1080 by 1080 pixels each. Multiply that by your columns and rows to get your full canvas. For a 3x3, that's 3240 by 3240 pixels. If you're planning a single row of 3240 by 1080 works. Setting this up correctly ensures your slices will align perfectly on your profile. Once your blank canvas appears, add the photo you want to split. Drag it onto the canvas and position it exactly how you want it to appear across the grid. Stretch it to cover the entire canvas edge to avoid thin gaps between tiles later. If your image has important details like faces or text, keep them away from the slice lines and the very edges so they don't get cut awkwardly. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the Apps tab. In the search bar, type Image Splitter, then select it from the results. This opens the tool you'll use to cut your large design into perfectly even pieces without any manual measuring. Inside the image splitter, click Export Design or Use, depending on which button you see. This sends your current canvas into the splitter. Now choose how you want it divided. Set your rows and columns so for a classic grid, that's 3 rows and 3 columns. Double-check that these numbers match the layout you planned earlier. When everything looks good, click Split Image. Canva will process the design and prepare the individual tiles for you. After a moment, Canva creates a new design with multiple pages, each one containing a single piece of your split image. Scroll through to confirm the slices look clean and consistent. This is a great time to make sure no key parts were cut off in a way you don't want. To download the pieces, click Share in the top right, then Download. In the Pages section, choose All Pages so you get every tile. Canva will package them together. Select the zip option when prompted and download them as a single compressed file. You'll be able to unzip it and find each tile ready to post in order. And that's it. Thanks for watching.